This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Microsoft 365 and launching both To-Do and Planner. This connects your work. Once signed in, create a focused to-do list and then a matching planner plan so roles and timelines align. Next, add 3-5 starter tasks, give each a short title, and either flag them in Outlook or assign them to a person in Planner. Doing this first sets a clear bridge between personal tasks and team plans, so you can move immediately into organizing and executing. Now organize the middle work. Create buckets in Planner such as backlog, doing, and done to visualize flow. Once done, add due dates, set priority, and apply color labels to group related items. Assign each task to the right person so ownership is clear. Make checklists or subtasks in To-Do for the personal steps you must complete. Use the planner comments for team updates, and link or flag the same task in To-Do so your personal list reflects team progress. To finish strong, run a brief review. Move planner cards to done, mark To-Do subtasks complete, and update due dates as needed. Make sure notifications are enabled, and install mobile apps so you stay in sync on the go. If something goes wrong, like tasks not appearing, sign out of both apps, clear the app cache or browser cookies, then sign back in. Check the planner's Microsoft 365 group membership. That single troubleshooting step fixes most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.